Alright guys, we out here today looking at properties. Got Laura. Hey, look at this house. It's so beautiful. It's huge. Alright guys, we out here by Canyon Lake. Some of the best views around. You're minutes from water. About 45 minutes from downtown San Antonio. Alright guys, we're over here by Spring Branch. Check out these beautiful modern Texas hill country homes. Alright, we're here. I like the fire pit though. Alright guys, I'm over here with Laura. We just finished walking these two lots. So these are huge lots. This one's 1.6 acres and then this one over here is 1.57. So for the price and the views, as you can see, are amazing. So we're gonna figure out which one her husband wants and we'll go from there. Okay guys, we're over here at the Rim again. Got Laura. We'll grab a bite to eat over here at MASH. This is one of the nicest spots over here. Wow, just gained 10 pounds. Alright guys, it's a beautiful day here in San Antonio. About to go up to the Paramore. What's up everybody, I'm out here in Hollywood Park, not to be confused with Hollywood, California, but Hollywood Park, San Antonio, Texas is a beautiful area. So I'm handing out some door hangers today. Time to do some work and I gotta help this economy, gotta have more places for people to live, help these people get their equity. That's what I do. You guys are enjoying your day, feel free to reach out to me if you need anything real estate related. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out anything else. Let me know if you have any questions. You gotta help the community, right? That's what we do. Real estate agents always working hard. Guys, we found another lot over here. Nice view. We're here, Lupe Tortilla. Is it gonna go? Okay. Salud. Construction going on right now in downtown San Antonio, Texas. There's so many people moving here for different reasons. It's a lot of energy coming to San Antonio from different states. You got California, New York City, New Jersey. Let me know if you need anything. I'll be here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in.